What go on, General?
What go on, General?
You know, sir, you may come link up. You can guess now. Me go for pay my flow bill and it's short $3,000 and I don't know how that happen. Me not have $3,000. I don't know if I can lend me $3,000.
As you talk about internet, you know, if I can't check your computer crash and I say, oh, I come borrow your computer. But, oh, 3,000 too. You know, I say, that's a simple thing, you know. $3,000 and nothing for give your bridging.
Respect, brother. Thanks. Here, because I'm going to start with the bill right now. You what? Forward, man. Forward and I'm going to start with your thing and give you.
Yeah, man, so. What? Mama, you look nice, they do.
I know easy, you know. I still look for your woman, them. You know, easy at all.
What do you mean? Wait, you move so?
Yo, come on, man. Look, my woman, them different, man. Come in.
I don't believe you, man. You don't see your work.
No, me, I got everything good, man. Them nice still, them nice, but you know what I mean? But me, I say, for me, things set different.
Girl, I see your ass big, it can't fit you.
It can't work, you know.
I don't like them bad mind talking there, you know. Never buy one for you. But differently though. You know, some more real man in my life though. You know, them good up man them. But I'm kind of scared to talk to you man them, you know. But I not really judge every man as the same thing, you know. Because I know you have some good, decent man out there, so you know, good citizen.
Girl, stop right there, so. And stop foolishness. No good man out there again. Yeah, we just one play innocent. That's why you can chop them money and get anything you want to get out of them. I will not stay so. You understand? Because this life I will live in now. You can't find no good man out there. Just chop them and play innocent girl. I always see what I talk about. Everything will fall in place.
Me and your friend, you know, what me I tell you the truth. Me not agree with you.
Even if you be a good girl, then my money, they still going to treat you messed up. May I tell you? So you have to just use your brain. You understand? Let them feel say you're perfect or when you're not perfect. Yeah. Not there. May I tell you?
That sound too cool. That sound like you know no art. It look like say we not go have no love for nobody at all. But you explain tell me say like say no love no out there. Me can't do it. Me can't do it, girl. Me not tell you no lie. Me have to take risk. Me have to go take risk. Anything will happen.
You can't stand there talk about you and take risk. I take no risk. You see me when they take risk, you see everything where you see in your see you see that bed over there so. See that dresser there. If me take risk, I have them. So you can't go and be the perfect woman or the perfect girl. That's your business.
Yeah man. You can go on you know. You can go on. But me not follow you. You see when you take man things and man find out say you don't love them. The way you them want you feel love them and then they say give you them things so then we kill you. Man we kill you with dead.
Back to the
Still
sender.
you take man things and back to sender. Still you take man things and then they trick man and then make them feel say you love them 100% when you don't love them. So you want them things, you take them things, you with dead. Everything good. Me.
My girl, you can't go and talk. You don't know what go on. You don't know how much I can strike. You see later I go on road, I will get one of them good looking man there and show you something. I go show you something. Alright. Go kill. The little boy can't kill me. You never know if he kill me. I feel tougher than tough. I don't even know what is tougher than tough. I'll show you.
Me will be like Michael Jackson. Me will start like the man in the mirror. In my case, me will start like the woman in the mirror. Me a woman in the mirror. Now worry yourself. Anyways, me I can't go now.
Alright.
By the way, you have noticed you?
Yeah, I have this hour.
Girl, me say I put on a piece of cooking up on me yard there. Me cook some curry and give me picnic them. One near me and one not near me. I look at the next one never near me. The other one have running belly and me run out of tissue. Me nah no money, you laugh. Me nah no tissue. You can't give me one.
Yeah, man, we give you
Alright,
one.
go up and give me car right now.
You say you come down to now, though. You say you come down and me I tell you about it. Right back to what me I tell you about it. You want to continue link me for this, you? What is? Hurry up, okay, this thing going to keep it before they shit up the place up there. So, man, we come work. Alright. Oh. Alright.
Thanks for the tissue.
Watch out, man. I think we hang out the clothes them from man and start. Please set up to you know. We're in setup.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You don't know who want to put up clothes for life? Okay. Me see why you ask me down there, so if I saw me look woman. Because you know look none. You feel they look.
No, sir. I can't just look any woman just like that. I want the perfect woman. Me need the perfect woman who understand me to the T, know me, for me, and not just like running. You know what I mean? Because sometimes, yo, I don't waste time, brother. You know? I want the perfect woman.
Listen me. Listen,
one.
that's how it work. Listen, y'all look for something perfect. You think that's so perfect come? You have to just find a woman. If it's not suit you, you just love it. No wait. Where you wait pan? Just grab any woman you catch. And so you go and find perfect. If you go and sit down with pan perfect, it now go come.
Brother, you think any woman I want? I want a woman who can come up from my yard and take care of it, clean out the place and, you know what I mean? Tell me
You really
something.
not
You
understand.
think, say,
Trust me. You don't
them
understand.
nowadays, girl, yeah, wouldn't actually wash your clothes, much less figure out the door, go pin up it online? Eh? You think that's how this thing go? About catch woman. And that's how this thing go. You might catch the big AIDS, you know what I mean? Because none of them at time, you don't know who you can trust. And then now tell us them have, you know. Them now tell us them have that thing there. Them just go enjoy themselves with you. Like when you want to enjoy yourself, let's enjoy it. I saw them do it, you know. But guess what go on? You see how me look, woman, my thing set different. So guess what go on? You are going to see how me set my thing. Forward, me can get the laptop here, answer, because you need for your thing, you work your thing, me work my thing.
Oh, this man I take me for. I waiting they make condom for. You think I me tell someone not to use condom? Come on now, man.
Hey, and I hold it, you know, and I hold the video. Guess what now? We just thief a little piece and go in because guess what now? Me have to keep, you know what I mean, entertain, you know what I mean? So guess what now? Just understand, say me just thief piece just for you. So do a thing for me. Like, share, and subscribe. And guess what? The full video will come very soon. Forward very soon, you know what I mean? So guess what, go on? If you're AV, like, share, subscribe, please. If you're public report, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, me do this for uno, to make you see what I go on, just to keep the thing flowing. Because we post every day, and we have to keep it up to date, right? So do the right thing. Bless up yourself, right now. Humper night. Me not even spread out the clothes and look how it rain set up for fall.
My girl, stop right as a beef and stop that foolishness. Start over, please. My girl, stop right as now before you start that foolishness. No good man out there again. What kind of good relationship you look? Yeah, what you have to just, me tell you what to do, man. Just play innocent, just play a good girl, and everything will fall in place. Yeah, just play the innocent girl, and you will see what they go on. I don't think that's what I should say.
Anyways, no, you say me fi.
You might go down catch a big gay. Because guess what now, you see, me is a mother's. No, sorry, go on.